1.2c. So we're going to carry on with this whole idea of rise over run, remembering that rise is any vertical movement and run is the horizontal movement that's going on. So rise over run can be found in all kind of pictures, just knowing that rise is your vertical and run is your horizontal section. So we're going to look at a new word. The new word that we're going to look at is grade. Now, grade is the slope of a physical feature such as a road or a hill, often expressed as a percentage. Okay. So the grade basically means that you'll rise so much and run so much times 100. So if you wanted a, sorry, if you wanted a 5% grade, you would rise 5 and run 100, because when you do the percent grade, you follow this formula. So this is a formula that I would write down on a separate piece of paper that you would have for another formula. So when it asks for grade, percent grade, you can go rise over run times 100 to calculate the grade. So Martin is driving his truck on the Trans-Canada Highway. There's a sign that indicates 7% grade. What is the slope of the road? So the slope of the road as a fraction, well, we can change 7% into a fraction. That's 7 over 100, right? Because whenever you see the percent sign, it just means whatever that number is divided by 100. Now, we could also use this formula, percent grade equals rise over run times 100, where you get percent grade is 7 equals rise over run times 100, divide by 100 to get 100 to the other side. So you get rise over run is 7 over 100, or m, which is another way of saying slope, is 7 over 100. So the slope of the road is 7 over 100. Now, angle of elevation. Remember, angle of elevation is from the horizon looking up. So if we had a road that looks like this, right, we can see the angle of elevation would be here. So your run of 100 is your adjacent side, and your 7 is your opposite side. Okay, so remembering that, we can find this angle by using opposite over adjacent. So the tan of the angle, we'll use angle theta, is equal to opposite over adjacent. Opposite is across from the angle you're dealing with. So our opposite is equal to 7 over our adjacent side, which is the one right beside it, which is 100. So if we are going to put that into our calculator, 7 divided by 100 will give us 0.07. So tan theta is equal to 0.07, which is 7% as a decimal. Now, you need a scientific calculator to deal with this, and you can hit second tan, but I'm going to find the one like you have. We'll just let it load up here. So 0.07 is what we had, and we want to take the inverse tan of it, so we go second tan of my answer. So second answer, hit enter. So it is, the angle of elevation is 4%. So theta, because we did the inverse tan on both sides. We did tan to the minus 1 on both sides. So we did tan to the minus 1 on both sides, and we got angle of elevation as 4, because the angle of elevation is from the horizon upward. So your angle of elevation is 4%. No, 4 degrees. Sorry, degrees. This is just this thing over again. Tan theta equals rise and run. Put 7 in because that's the rise, 100 in because that's the run. Remember, rise is vertically, run is horizontally. Do the inverse tan, you get 4 degrees. Go ahead and please try these, build your skills. Good luck.